fractions with one binomial are the denominator and other unknown forms are the denominators. Examples. Solve the equation. Solution. Four divided by 7x equals to 3 divided by 5x minus 2. Now looking at this problem, from the left we have 4 divided by 7x. This is an algebraic expression. And we can see that at the denominator we have 7x. And that is not a binomial expression because there is just one term there. But at the right hand side we have 3 divided by 5x minus 2. 5x minus 2 as a denominator is an example of binomial expression. So now we have a binomial expression and another form of expression that is not a binomial expression at the denominators. Let's solve the problem. By cross multiply, we have 4 into bracket 5x minus 2 equals to 3 into bracket 7x. The next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. Now 4 we multiply 5x. What do we have? 4 times 5, that is 20. So 4 times 5x will give us 20x. Now this same 4 we also multiply minus 2. 4 times minus 2 will give us minus 8. Now 3 times 7x. This will give us 21x. Now the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, 21x will move to the left to meet 20x. So 21x we turn to minus 21x. So we have 20x minus 21x equals to what? Now we can also move minus 8 to the right. It becomes what? Plus 8. That is the positive 8. So 20x minus 21x will give us minus 1x. Now, we are looking for the values of x. So how do we get the value of x? We are going to divide both sides by the coefficient of x. And what is the coefficient of x here? Minus 1. So dividing both sides, we have minus 1x divided by minus 1 equals to 8 divided by minus 1. Minus 1 in minus 1, we have 1. So we have x equals to what? 8 divided by 1, that is 8. So 8 divided by minus 1 will give us minus 8. Hence, the solution to this equation is x equals to minus 8. Thank you.